Hello lovely people, wagwan. Hi, my name is Karen and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you like these type of videos, I do them all the time. So at the end, just hit the like button and subscribe and join the family. I mostly do beauty, fashion, and some travel videos. And if that's what you're into, definitely subscribe to this channel. So today we're gonna be doing a reverse cat eye. I've been seeing this trend around for quite some time now, and I was like, you know what? I gotta do it. I feel like it will complement my eye shape. I love these type of trends, like when I did the fox eyes with the Doja Cat eyebrow. I'll link that video down below. I love that and I wear that a lot. So I know this reverse cat eye trend is gonna be like one of my faves, and I'm probably gonna be wearing it quite a lot. I mean, I love wearing cat eyes anyway and just doing like a nice wing liner. But this reverse cat eye, I know that it's gonna be one of my go-tos. Oh, I forgot to tell y'all. So a reverse cat eye is pretty much a cat eye that's done on your waterline. So like under your eyes right here, instead of on top of your eyes, like your eyelids. So it's pretty much flipped, and that's why they call it a reverse cat eye. Forgot to tell y'all. Forgot. Let me go ahead and show you how I do my reverse cat eye. Okay, so first we're gonna prep the eyes. We're gonna make the eyes look nice and pretty before we do our reverse cat eye. Here I'm just priming my eyes with the NYX Professional base in the shade Skin Tone. I'm also going to put some of that base under my waterline so that when I put the black eyeshadow on, it'll just be a rich, vibrant color. Here I'm just going in with two colors from the Fenty Beauty Snap Shadow Palette, number 4. And I'm just going to be working with these two colors and going back and forth and blending that on the eye to give it like a nice, neutral, soft, pretty eye look. You're gonna need 3 tools with you though. You're gonna need your eye pencil. This one is from NYX Professional Makeup. It's just a basic eye pencil. You're gonna need a little concealer brush, like a flat concealer brush, so that you can clean up your edges, because if this is your first time doing it, you're probably gonna make a mistake or two, so you're gonna need that. Let me close the door, y'all. My AC is... yeah, my AC was real loud. Okay. And you're gonna need a smudge brush. So this is gonna be for like smudging under the eyes. You're gonna need also black eyeshadow, of course. You're just gonna be dipping it into your black eyeshadow, trying to smudge under your eyes, and also kind of try to like go over your liner with the I can't think today. With the black eyeshadow, because you know you want it to be like a really matte black. And then like in between, you're just gonna be touching up whatever mistake that you're making or that you've made. First time I did it, took me a little while. The more you do it, the better you get at it, but it's real quick and easy once you get it down. You just need your 3 little tools, like I said, and black eyeshadow, and you're good to go. So originally I was gonna speed this part up, But then I decided not to because I wanted to show you how I was doing this in real time, just to give you an idea of what you need. Trend that was going around, but they're like all the same. Yeah, but I wanted to hop on here and show you that you don't even need lashes. Like, you could just go like that. Like, for beginners, this is perfect for you. Just do your reverse cat eye, some shadows up top, a little glimmer. You don't have to add the shimmer, but if you're going out, a little shimmer, and you're good to go. I'm gonna go ahead and pop some lashes on though, just some simple Ardel lashes, just to give it a little extra flair, and I'll be right back with y'all. I love this reverse cat eye. I absolutely love it. I think it's gorgeous. It gives your eye like a nice sexy look. This is great for like date night, for an evening out, for like a wedding. It just gives you like a nice sultry, like, oh my gosh, like, come hither, come here, look. And my husband saw me upstairs with it and he loves it as well. Like, I'm telling you, this, anything that makes the eyes just look like sensual is my type of look. Like, that's what I was saying. This reminds me so much of the fox eye trend, the fox eye that I did, because like it just gives the eyes like a nice lift, and then with it being at the bottom, it makes it like more sultry, you know. So yeah, I'm absolutely loving this reverse cat eye. It's just so beautiful. I'm gonna give you like an up close look, you know. It's just oh my gosh, like, you can't tell me nothing now. Don't talk to me. Don't talk to me, okay? Let me stop. But I hope you enjoyed this video. I just can't get over it. I love it so much. I love it. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Like I said, if you want to join the family, you like these type of videos, or you just like my aura, my spirit, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like this video, and turn your notification bell on. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.